All right. Let's get the day started. It's going to be a short day today. I don't know what time the markets close. What's today, July 3rd? It's not telling me what time. What time? What time does the market close today? Is it normal time or is everybody just messing with me? No, I think it closes at 1. I think the market closes at 1 today. What time does the market? I think it's 1. I think the market closes at 1 today. I'm gonna ask what time the market closes. I wish I would have bought a freaking long there. The 5-minute has been doing really well. It's up $607. The other one, this one was from yesterday. There's not like many trades. 1 p.m. Okay, market closes at 1 p.m. today, so I'm going to use that time to. I see you in Seminole. Uh-oh, that's not good. That means you're taking my orders. Uh-oh. Nah. Not anymore. Oh, he's here. I didn't realize he was going to be trading today.
It closes just before New York City launch. Sorry, just after New York City launch.
I'm assuming Hood is not up. Oh, it is. Good job on Hood. Moo. Good job on Moo. Millie, good job.
That came through was pretty good. We're juicing right back up there. Can't believe the market is where it's at.
Sold my Robinhood.
Sometimes I can't believe this is.
Let's go. We sold the Robinhood. Sold the Robinhood for a profit today, so that's good. Very good. That was a good play, that Robinhood. Yeah, that was really good. Holy crap. Because it went down 3% to 94. So really good play with the Robinhood. Yeah, mic check. We already profiting on the day. Love to see that. Love to see. I love profit, guys. It's just something about profit that I just love it. I just love profit. Like profit is like I love it. I just love profit. With the 1 minute, you can get in some good entries, but
Perfect. Yeah, so NBC 62.60. We'll just continue to juice these all-time highs. Looking at a very
sold that Robin Hood for a profit.
Might as well, honestly, just start snagging longs if you can. It doesn't seem like we're gonna stop. It seems like the entire market is long. 62.80. Is that possible? I don't know. When we're looking at the data.
Ooh, maybe I could have held on to that Robin Hood short. Well, nah, let's be honest. Come on. It opened up and I sold it at a good time. And I sold it for $6.50, so I'll take that.
Hate buying at the top, but man, it kind of looks like a day where we might have to do it. I don't think everyone's going to be trying to get through this. A bit of a call sell off there.
So we profited 125, 23% on that. I wish I would have bought like full ported. I wish I would have full ported into those Robinhood puts. That would have been epic. Speaking of the Robinhood puts, I mean, let me check out Hood actually again, just to see.
It's not the top, it's the top in the past.
I mean, Robinhood could definitely continue trending downwards. Let me see. Yeah.
So ISM manufacturing PMI, this is probably big for the market as well.
Robinhood will probably continue trending down, but I'm just happy.
I assume the day is just gonna fade.
I did have
just until this, and then I'm going to. Yeah, I told myself it's probably not the best idea for me to lap on trades today, so don't mind me if I actually don't plug in any trades.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, there was a couple signals here. Short entry here. If you would have got out here, good profit. Long entry here, which I was awake for this, but I was doing something. I was picking up my AMLO, so I missed this entry. And then when I saw it was in this candle here, and I thought, oh, maybe I could buy it down here. Actually, there was another one that I saw. Where was it? I think it was on the 15-minute, maybe.
Hope that was the Q&A last night.
Or was it the 1 minute?
It's quite a lengthy one, just for you guys.
I forgot where it was. Maybe the 10-minute? I don't know. It was easier to see on my phone. Crazy to say, but 15 minutes moving up. Maybe I missed it. Maybe the long entry was definitely. The 15-minute was definitely wrong here.
Who would have thought we'd honestly, who would have thought this is where you are?
It was definitely wrong here because I wanted you to go short. And then, so I like to look at the strategy and see which one's more profitable today. The 5-minute has been making some really good plays. 540. Run up 696. Could have sold it up there. Did lose one trade here, but I think the run up was 75, so you still could have made profit. And then this was yesterday, so there's not like many trades to make.
SOLT, all right. MSTU, fantastic job.
I should have probably went long in here too when I saw that we were resisting, or not resisting, supporting. I woke up. I weigh less. I weigh less today than I did yesterday. So, but again, I mean, a lot of that may just be water weight.
Another 5% today.
But the goal is just abs. The goal is to get some abs back. I want to have a 6-pack. I want to have a 6-pack while I deliver DoorDash orders. So that way I can deliver DoorDash orders with my shirt off. I'll say, yeah, it's just a little too hot, get a nice little tan.
So far,
Get a nice little tan, get some abs, and go, oh, yeah. Yeah, you like that? Oh, man.
All right, King's Net Drift crossover just a few minutes ago. Getting price to come down.
Let's check the 1 minute, see if there's any signals.
To me, kind of
Long
looks
entries
like
here.
better opportunity long. I mean, 60 to 60. That's what we wanted here. You see why?
Sell signal here.
Price went to a high of 62.57.
It's gone. It needs to break under this.
I feel like there's more room to go, though.
Yep, sell signal here.
Kind of hands off here. Not really.
Maybe I'll just try it. Let's try going short and seeing.
This is like one of the worst
I kind of
weeks
don't
to
want
day
to.
trade.
I kind of don't want to. I'm kind of nervous to go short. Has the 1 minute been making any good plays? Yeah, but it made like so many bad ones.
That'd be nice.
It made so many bad ones. Oh man, do I try going for a short in it? I don't know if I trust the 1 minute. 1 minute could be wrong. Yeah, the 1 minute could be wrong. Y'all think there's gonna be like a sell-off?
News in 4 minutes. 3 minutes, yep.
Oh,
And,
there's news?
after
Okay.
that, 7 a.m.
Let me
Top
not.
of the hour.
Don't know if I want to trust the 1 minute ones. The 1 minute ones are a little. It was up 150, but it was struggling. Yeah, the 1 minute definitely struggles. Down 3,800 on the 1 minute versus, waiting for the 5 minute one, you're looking at 7K. Ultimately, the 15-minute one is usually right up 44K. But it's calling me. One sec, guys. What's up?
Anytime I close out something and get juicer candles. What the heck? PS flying here, boys.
Oh wow. Yeah, should have definitely listened to the 5 minute.
Sorry, only bulls came to work.
5 minute probably is going crazy right now. Let me see.
But I think I might want to close this out soon.
709.
We're about 8 minutes from news, and I do like to sell into these juicer candles, but this is pretty good for me already.
1 minute. I mean, everything should be.
I'm gonna move that stop up. Let's see what happens. Maybe I hold up for just a little bit longer.
Oh wow, the 1 minute wanted us to short here and then buy up here.
Looks like SPX is starting to get this. So we talked about the 6280. We said that if it gets over 100 million, it's probably going to be a very likely realization today in terms of obligation. So yeah, who's brand new to the stream? I know it's a short day. There you go. I'm still negative 600 on the week. So this little bit here. Let me close it out. I don't want it here.
Another big run up. Wow. Of course, I didn't listen to the long entry. Didn't listen to the short entry.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna call it. All right. So, yeah, I mean, everyone knows that I'm red for the week so far, but it's like I was able to just recover a little bit more today. We are now only red 100-something bucks.
I'm gonna set some alerts.
I'm not gonna try to battle this market for $100. It is what it is. So there you go. A little bit there. Yeah, those juicer candles, pretty good. I mean, we all kind of know the same thing. We're all looking at the same thing. You guys see the realization of 6280. We're probably going to continue flying up. The next catalyst we have comes up in about 5 minutes. It's the news for, I think it's IHS. Oh, sorry, no, IHS. ISM, non-manufacturing PMI, factory orders. These are 3-star events. So this is going to be the next catalyst.
Is this on the
SPX
5 minute?
Another 14 points to go to get to that obligation of gamma. So far, the entire market does seem to be doing okay, right? Here's your technology sector.
So I got a 5 minute and a 15 minute.
You can see that it's relatively all green. Take a look here as well.
I'm using TradingView.
Here in greed, we are now back into extreme greed territory. And then take a look at this one here.
It's not letting me. What a run up.
Market snapshot. We are heavily weighted towards advances. So, you know, we talk about rising tide lifts all boats kind of scenario. We're getting that today. So it looks like bulls are trying to get in just before the holiday. So yeah, overall things are looking good. So thumbs up if you made some money with me today so far. It seemed like a very obvious long. Sometimes when we
which indicator do I like the most? It's not so much which one I like the most, it's being able to use all of them together. So, I mean, one indicator is not going to help you, but having a MACD on a volatile day will help you. Having the RSI to tell you how much it's bought and sold. Having your EMAs, which is the yellow line and the purple line will tell you when momentum is starting to shift. Let's see if I can find a momentum shifter, like right here. The red line, it's kind of hard to see now with the yellow line. Momentum is starting to shift bullish. And then this super trend one, I just got this super trend one, which tells you which way a trend might work. Can be decent. So, it can be bad too. When you look at, if you're a quick trader, you look at the overview, it's down 4,000 on its trades. It's only 96 out of 302. And then sometimes it can be good, right? On the 5 minutes, it makes less trades, but total P&L is a little bit better. But it all just depends on how the day is moving. But you need a lot of indicators, And with TradingView, you can have as many indicators as you want. These are the ones that I have right now, if you want to snapshot that. And then, but I also use TradingView with like the cheapest plan. I don't use the expensive plan.
Let me know if you want to let me know that I'm trash, that I'm no good.
23,000 on NASDAQ. Crazy. What a pull up.
Just let me know if you want to be this guy. And then proceed to drive to work in the Civic. Happens to the best of us. Nah, I'm just talking trash. I'm just kidding, man.
Bollinger Bands.
Steel, I love you. So the idea
channel.
for me was, I saw 6280 start to peak, and so I thought that maybe it's a good idea that we front run it towards that 6280. Short day net drift was becoming better in our favor. Deltas were incredibly long. They hate us because they hate us.
90.
Yeah, so I mean, I guess I was right? You see that 6280 is coming through. I know we're getting a little bit of a turnaround there. That's probably because of potholes. Potholes are there. You know what I'm saying? There's now from 7 a.m. There's another 3 hours. Sorry, that's what I'll say. There's another 3 hours in the day for us to get to this obligation of 6280. So we have from now until whenever to move 18 points.
Where's Robinhood at? Should I have held my short?
250, that would very likely be a bounce.
I should have held my short, but it's okay.
Deltas. And remember, we talked about deltas in terms of support and resistance. How likely is it that the market is going to allow us to sell through 6250, right? Not likely. Think about this in a dollar value. That's a lot of longs that they have to reverse on. Hey, there you go, man. Beautiful work there, Will. Let's go. Everyone has different support and resistance levels.
Wow, market
is going to do something a little
going
bit different.
Crazy right now.
I'm all for it, man.
Holy crap.
Is entitled to their opinions. I know how I trade. I know how I perform.
Market is cooking right now. This shit on the strategy tester's gotta be fucking
usually okay. Otherwise,
903.
Allow me to trade.
Wow. Volume's kind of dying off though.
We all know how it is when females are upset. We know it, right? Broke out can always happen. Yeah, I was just expecting that we just continue upwards, and it looks like we're going to be right. So if you're taking a look at the market now, obviously I sold right where I got in from. This was my double down.
I don't know. I kind of want to try going short.
Arrow, can't see it.
That seems really bought up
I know
up
we're
here.
juicing up a little bit further now. But that's okay. I'm 500 up for the day. I'll take it today. Really thinking, like my mind is already on long weekend mode. And so when my mind is on long weekend mode already, I already know that it's not likely that I'll do super high. 62.80. There we go. Almost there. We're only 10 points away now. 11 points. Looks like the news that just came out gave us this juicer candle right here. 701, right? So that news was, was it ISM? This one right here. ISM manufacturing PMI factory order. There's nothing left now. So we have Bostic speaking, 2-star event. We don't know if he's going to say anything. Take a look at roll call. Let's see, is President Trump saying something today?
What a fucking, that's crazy. Market is just, oh my gosh. That's nuts. That long entry is up 1,000.
No, dude. No, Z-Lot. The diamond is up. We got ripped off on that already for sure. With a dot on your Ninja Trader, that is volume. You know how you have volume down here? Or how you could have volume down there? In a bar. I just have on the order flow plus package, which gets you volume profile, cumulative delta. It gives you the order bubbles as well. So that's what it is. So instead of seeing it as a line, right? So instead of seeing it like this, wait 1 second. So instead of seeing it like this, I see it here. Nope, not book maps. These are orders that have already been executed. I'm not a fan of book maps. Not a fan of.
Yeah, everybody should just be long. Holy shit. This is just, I don't think there's going to be any big red candles. They literally could just huge green candle this shit until 1.
Difference between resting orders and floating orders. So, resting orders is notorious in book maps, and that's why I don't like it. I don't really need to know where resting orders are. Book maps is pretty though. Do we trade on pretty, or do we trade to make money? What in the world? Kind of calm it.
Wow.
I'm just bugging you, dude. Oh, the volume dots for book map. I haven't used book maps in a long time, so I can't remember. But I know they're notorious for resting orders. Yeah, so difference between resting orders and so you can think about it in terms of options. Okay, so resting orders is an order that has no risk. Why? Is because it's actually not executed.
Holy
crap! I'm only interested in orders that are executed. So a resting order.
Yeah, you can't buy a put today, guys.
SPY is at 500. And someone puts in a big order at 501 to buy a bunch of shares. When price gets to 599 cents, they decide to pull that order. So that's a resting order. So did that person who put on that order, are they risk on or risk off in the market? So use it to like bait, right? There's a bunch of like baiters there, a bunch of masters at baiting on Bookmap. I don't know why I said it like that. No one cancel me.
Oops.
But Yeah.
Look
So
at this.
I don't like seeing that because
I wonder
I've
how
seen
high
it.
the
I
market
mean,
can
you've all
go.
seen it before.
Can
There's all the
NASDAQ
experts and
reach like
stuff, right? Where a
50,000
bunch of
by next
orders
week?
are
At the
there,
rate that we're
and next
going,
second they're gone. Does that help you? Not really.
at the rate that we're going, I think NASDAQ could probably reach 50,000 by the end of next week.
Risk on. So that's the difference between floating orders. A
Yeah,
floating
it
order,
really could. It really honestly
is
could. We could reach 25,000
risk.
today.
for example,
Wow.
right here, MSTR, someone bought $520,000 worth of puts. It's floating in their wallet, right? This order has been executed. This order is risk on. Whoever put this in has skin in the game. Whoever puts on a resting order, willing to buy here or sell there, there's no skin in the game. No skin in the game. They're just putting in some ideas there. That's all they're doing. Wow, ES continuing the juice up there. 707. Yeah, I said I was going to leave already.
I think NASDAQ reaches 25,000 today.
But yeah, I mean, it's possible. Yeah, hopefully you guys understand a little bit about that. But that is the main reason why I like options data better. Not only that, I only trade the New York session. So we know options controls the market during the New York session.
Yeah, I think, guys, I think NASDAQ reaches 25,000 today. Holy shit, I think so.
You have another 9 points to go, and then you can go back to sleep. If you're not,
I believe ES and everything's going to go up another 100 points today.
I probably wouldn't take a position here. Things are starting to slow down. Net drift is starting to become a little bit of a mess. I'm just personally not too
I would
re-entering here.
I would venture off to say
500 buckaroos and run.
I'd venture off to say another
most of my losses this week.
Another 1,000 points on NASDAQ at least.
But still, in the books, in the journal today, it's going to be marking for myself that it's a red week. Who would have thought, though? Who would have thought? So, yeah. Things just weren't too hot. Thursday now. My goodness.
Yeah, NASDAQ's going to reach $25,000 next week. That's going to be fucking groundbreaking, dude. Holy crap.
So let's see, total tally.
I kept thinking Monday, too high, but
down 6.
There is no too high, guys.
Just about.
There is no
Tuesday,
too high.
Down another 320.
This shit is just going to go up, guys. There's no stopping this, guys. Like if you're not full porting long, you're fucked. Like this shit, like you're gonna be a wagey forever if you don't full port even from here. Like longs. Holy shit.
Waiting for some spreads.
Look at this. Like guys, this is really gonna go to 25,000 by next week.
Count the swings. In terms of day trading performance of red on the week. During these weeks, whenever I have a red week, I really dig into journals. Really dig into my journal to kind of figure out.
I keep having to move this. RSI is going to be over 100.
This week, for whatever reason, had a little bit of psych outs. That day that we just consolidated, right? I definitely got blown out the water a little bit. I think it was this day. Oh, it was this day, July 1st. Canada Day, right? Canada Day was a really bad day for me. It was just really annoying to have traded this inside day and then not be able to catch on to the last little bit of the day. Thought Canada Day would be a good day, right? You know, us being Canadians and Canadians being better than Americans. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I honestly would sell my house today and full port into this shit if I could. All right, he's not going to be trading anymore. He's going to be talking shit. But yeah, wow. I would sell my house today, like right now, within the next fucking 10 minutes to full port into this. Like the data just says NASDAQ's going to 25,000 next week. Holy shit. There might be some news, maybe, I don't know, removing tariffs from China or whatever, maybe just ending all tariffs. I don't know. But NASDAQ, the data here says 25,000 next week. Holy shit. How many day one will you do? I don't know what that means. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be one more. I don't think there will be any sort of dip today. I think it's literally just gonna be straight up until 24,000, and then tomorrow 25,000 on Nasdaq. Yeah, for sure, 100%. That's what I think. Not financial advice, but that's what I think. Holy shit. Yeah, there's no sign. There's no sign of any type of reversal. Every candle should be green. I'm surprised they're this small. I mean, this is the 1 minute, but I really don't see why each of these candles are not at least 100 points on the 1 minute too, for that matter. That's crazy. Yeah, they all should be green. Like none of these should be red. Like people are literally selling everything they have to buy into this right now. Like this is generational wealth that's going to be made going into next week. This is absolutely generational wealth that will be made. People, this will be more than Bitcoin. Yeah, no green candles, no red candles. I mean, yeah, there should be no red candles at all. Data says a lot. Let's see how that trading thing is doing. Strategy tester up 1,100 on the 1 minute. It should be up way more. Oh no, it lost 300 there. $15 should be also as well, just absolutely massive. It doesn't matter what you click, everything will be massive here. Yeah, everything. The 3 month would probably be, the 3 month is massive. $36,000 one trade. Massive. Net drift and calls are really falling off though. Wonder why that is. It doesn't matter though. Minus 200,000 calls, it's gonna just big green candles. I don't see this shit not going up to there. The 1 minute always says like short entry and then it always flips. Why does it do that? Yeah, long way to go on the 5 minute. Very, very long way to go. Oh, I think he's gone. Did he leave?
It's Fundstrat Tom Lee's company. This is a company that's starting to do a long Ethereum strategy. Raise your end of year forecast. Yeah, we're looking 7,000, baby. 7,000. Did you screen for that SPX volume? The SPX volume. I have a few filters that I like to run sometimes. Here's another filter that I like. I run it on my laptop, actually, on my left here. Oh, I've got one here. Is it in one of the regular filter groups? Maybe I actually don't have a filter for it. It should be this one, but I remove it's 90 days. It should be 90 days on this one. I don't know why it says 0 DTE. But yeah, this is the one I'm doing. And so from this, we just saw a bunch of naked longs get picked up for SPX. So feel free to take a screenshot of this.
I wonder if we hit
Tommy did
this
say Ethereum is the next Bitcoin.
down here, or if it's going to use it as
think
support.
Bitcoin and Ethereum are all trash. But that's just me. That's just a little like J here. $62.80. Yeah, we're probably gonna ramp it into the $62.80 area. Bardcoin is superior. You know what? Until they stop the rug pulling, I don't know. All these little crypto projects. I haven't found a single crypto project that does anything. You know what? Like, what is this? What's the whole argument between all these in-game currencies? Like, play my game, get paid with in-game currency. You'll be a millionaire just playing my game, like video game that I made. Yeah, sure, man. 100%. Just I don't know. I don't know.
I genuinely think NASDAQ goes to 25,000 next week.
See, the after I was playing was the one.
I mean,
that
bro,
actually
it
did
was
for me.
just last
Sure,
week.
how some buffoon
It was at 21. Why
Why
wouldn't it go to 25,000 next week?
How is that allowed? Right? No one's gonna investigate him. It just is what it is. And yeah, I'm glad I was banned from there because I already didn't like the app. Still to this day, from what I heard, it still doesn't work. He just needed more money. I feel like he did it to pay off investors, but we'll never know the truth. We will never know the truth. Here you go. Yes, pushing up forward again. Just like yesterday, right? When we were talking about the dips being a gift, I know Net Drift is the only one that's kind of throwing us off a little bit. But so far, deltas have remained strong, right? So we had that little bit of a drop down just a few minutes ago, right? What changed in the delta profile?
Nothing.
Did anything change in the delta profile to tell you?
I think we go to 25,000 next week.
Turning around.
Like
No.
I'm considering it. I'm considering selling the car, selling everything I have before close today to go all in on futures.
Just wait till IV
That's me.
is a lot higher.
Don't follow
and
me,
you'll
though.
Notice that I stopped.
This shit is just me. This is just what I'm doing. You do whatever you want to do.
IV trades instead. Put credit spreads, call spreads. All right, I'm gonna leave. All-time highs continue to push here. 62.80 is very likely coming to fruition.
Oh, higher.
What? A few points. Now.
ES should go
You guys
to
have learned.
7,000 next
You
week.
guys have earned.
At least higher. 75, 8,000 for ES or SPX next week.
So that we can earn.
Yeah, SPX should go to 8,000 next week. At the rate that we're going, I honestly, yeah, this should go to 8,000 next week.
All the lame things.
Well, it's only 1,800 points, bro. We're literally gaining.
All the cool things come to me.
We're literally gaining like double that shit a day.
No, Wampa's the fiat driver.
Yeah, we're doubling that
It's
shit
the
a day.
modified fiat driver. That's the guy here. Hey man, Canada's a cool country. You know, we're all right. But you know, anytime y'all want to start buying pieces of Canada, 100%, we'll give you Quebec today. We'll give it today. Have Quebec today.
Yeah, I mean we're up 200 points in what 50 minutes. Like if you multiply that out, so the next 50 minutes will be up 400. The next 50 minutes will be up 600. The next 50 minutes will be up 800. Yeah, I mean this is a daily thing. Like, yeah, I can't be bullish. I mean I can't be bearish. 1,600 points in the past month, but a majority of that was from June 23rd. Yeah, yep. A majority of that was from June 23rd. So a week basically for 1,600 points. So definitely. I think 25,000 is definitely in the cards.
When it's at support resistance
for next week.
Especially when it's at support.
Maybe not Monday, maybe Tuesday.
I usually like to take
maybe Tuesday or Wednesday.
We have a bit of a pullback, but usually during the opening session. So within the first hour, I don't wait for a pullback. I know that price usually just gets away from us.
How's Hood doing? Probably
aside
recovered.
from that, I really like taking trades off of the VWAP bands. So again, indicators are fantastic for you to manage risk. In no way, shape, or form could they tell you the future though. But lines on your chart can kind of help you manage your visualize things, contextualize things. So I like taking trades off of these bands. So this is VWAP. This is the 125 SMA.
I think that's it for the day.
S&P.
Well, damn.
When we're bullish,
I don't think the market's going to move anymore today.
Right now,
I think that's it.
If we
short stream. If anything, we're just going to move up. But yeah, there's no.
Usually, if I'm still trying to
it's going to be like yesterday. You can't even see yesterday. Where is it? There it is. Was this yesterday? No, that was overnight.
The next curl back up on the minute.
Yeah, this is just going to be another yesterday where we just.
VWAP,
I mean, you're talking.
Touch VWAP, that's going to be an entry.
That was what?
As well.
200 points.
Same fees. I only
higher
the direction
because we went up. We went up even more after hours.
Though, it's not always. Sometimes I might have a different idea. Sometimes I might have a different idea of where price is pivoting based on levels, right? If it's we're hitting like let's say yesterday's. Let's say we're opening down and we're going up and we hit yesterday's high. Yeah, it's probably potential that's probably going to be the top, unless Gamma tells us otherwise. But a lot of times you'll see that Gamma tells us that the top is at a level that we've seen before, or the bottom is at a level we've seen before. And that's kind of when we get the MVC pivots. I saw someone recently say that they use Vega for themselves more than anything else. It's a secret there I'm unaware of. That's
just pointed down.
Isn't that more so? Well, okay, that's volatility, right? Yeah, I mean it's doable. I think when you're swinging credit, especially. I actually think charm is more useful because that's directly involved with delta decay over time, which affects the premium after. Vega can help too if you're really just priming for volatility. Like if you're looking for volatility contraction only, yeah, 100% Vega is probably going to be your one. Just call me Crayola. Oh, conscious mind. What's up, man? Broken your gamma rule a good bit last few days. Maybe that's why I'm red for the week, brother. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do this Sunday. I'm gonna go through Sim. I'm gonna go through my trades and see where I went wrong. See where and that's back testing. Back testing with quant data is so useful. Being able to go back in time to see like, okay, what the hell did we do here, right? And it's very, very useful. I know where you went wrong. Monday was a ripper day in losses. Too anxious for trades. Yeah, I was probably coming out from the weekend not feeling myself. I had a little bit of personal things to go through last week, Sunday. So coming into work on Monday, I probably hindsight probably wasn't too involved mentally. See. Well, Vanna and Vega are almost directly correlated. Right? I usually like to say that Vanna, Vega, and IV, they're all like the same metric. Because the calculation is based off of IV directly. Would you consider doing that analysis on stream or YouTube? Which analysis? What are we talking about here? Last bit. I'm going to be here for another 3 minutes and I'm going to leave my trade analysis. Usually don't like people asking me questions while I'm in my journal doing work, but maybe I'll pop in. We'll see. Sundays is my days to read news, go over trades. If I'm running a mentorship, the days that I do that. The one-on-one, usually I run those on Sundays as well. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Because a lot of people end up bugging me too much, and then I don't end up doing the work that I told myself I was going to do. Some more covered calls on TSLL today, yes. So I usually do that in the last hour of the day. But if we are looking at the market,
What a buy from here.
look at TSLL.
On the 1 minute, even on the 5. What a buy. It was actually even further away on the 5. The 1 wanted you to do it here somewhere. The 5 was all the way back here.
When do I take break? Oh man, you're about to find out. There's like no breaks in this career, dude. Market's always on. Yeah, that's the difficult thing about being a full-time trader. Is that your mind is never off the markets, right? Even when you think it's the market is done, it's absolutely not. You got to think about what London's doing, what Asia's doing. During the weekends, you got to catch up on news. It never leaves my mind. It's very tough.
It's crazy, this movement. There's never going to be another dump again. Holy shit. Not under Trump. I think under Trump, NASDAQ goes by the end of his term. I will say.
Yeah, so let's see where
it will go to 50,000 by the end of Trump's term. And like one slice of
price, like you probably want to sell the 12.5. You're not getting a lot of credit, but at 12.5 seems reasonable.
I think at the end of Trump's term, NASDAQ, the red number right here is going to be 50,000. This number will be 50,000.
Secured at the 9.5. If we can get it, that's kind of my idea there. At this point, I am really interested. I would like to get rid of my ESLL shares. I kind of been really deep on that.
Yeah, you really cannot lose. If you just buy a call, it's like impossible to lose. You have a 0% chance.
Those traders online that post the vacation photos.
Like you really have a 0% chance to lose buying a call. I've never seen that. That's only in a Trump market.
Well, because when does the study come in? When does the portfolio management come in? When does
tariff crash market on Monday? No, absolutely not. I don't believe so. I don't believe that. No. If anything, he would come out and say the tariffs are gone on another country. Because you got to think, right? You got to think poor people are not moving this market. This is rich people, right? This from back here, wherever, this is rich people moving the market. Poor people can't move the market like this. So they already know in advance. They probably get told this shit like 1,000 years ago, like 5,000 years ago in the desert of fucking Israel. These guys are told the day it's going to happen, the time it's going to happen. They know exactly what the fuck's going on. So no, they clearly told us that something good is coming.
Gave me hell for being on my phone a lot because I was still checking Discord. I was checking the market. I had Twitter tweets, right? I did attempt to trade like fully for one of the days. The time I'm just not used to it. Over on the East Coast, the time didn't line up. I'm too used to getting up at 5 a.m. trading here on the West Coast.
Yeah, no, you are crazy if you don't
so I
literally sell everything that you have.
So what I'll do
all
is obviously in my journal
50,000 NASDAQ by the end of Trump's term. That's what I think. That's my
I'll have all these
hypothesis.
entries and exits, right? And then I'll use the time slider to go back to exact the time that I entered, what it looks like. And then I will go to the time where it sold. So that's how I do the backtesting in journal.
Yeah, so what I'm thinking
Paying
is
attention to us during your vacation.
what I'm thinking is
next iteration.
just
Coming.
massive, just upwards. That's what I'm thinking. I think winky massive upwards. Massive. Can I turn this? Like, can I move it? Yep. This is what I'm thinking. Boom.
API question. You gotta ask.
I mean,
Boston.
arrows don't lie. That's not even me. That's the arrow.
Switch the screen over to the iMac. I'm gonna get myself ready to leave.
It's just the RSI fixing itself. That's all that is. That is just the RSI fixing itself.
Wampa. So yeah, overnight for SPX, the only thing you're really looking for is if you get spikes in the drift. That's it. If you get a spike in the drift going one way, we've seen it run. Like for example, London session. There's been times where, like access alone, like without access, you're just looking at calls and puts respectively coming in and being bought and sold. We've seen days where we've had the net drift just go in one way. Like let's say the 26th. Like we've seen this happen before on London session. Right, just clear as day. So that's the only thing I was saying about a net drift on overnight. All right, cool people. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of the trade day. I'm going to leave now. Have a fantastic long weekend. If you learned today, give me a good old testimonial. If you earned today, you better give me a testimonial if you're brand new. Testimonials help get more eyes on our hard work here in Quant Data. Right? We run these streams for free for you guys, so everyone can learn. And
look how low it has to go
no one to
for you to exit. That's crazy. And 15 is probably 15 is even crazier.
We're here to chat. We're here to banter with you, and we're here to trade the data, trade together. So I hope you enjoyed that experience. That's it. QD should create a line chart of MVC plotted against SPX over time. Yeah, that's coming actually, OJ Futures. That's coming. It's coming. We also have alerts coming, customized alerts for net drift crossovers, for MVC changes, for the consolidated order flow.
I can't wait for that shit. That's going to be so nice.
That's coming as well. So I think you guys are really gonna enjoy the next iteration of.
Just wondering, I don't want to
When
go
it's coming,
back to door dashing.
all I can say is soon. All I can say is soon.
I mean, I don't
But
give
I'll tell you
financial
this.
advice, man.
The more kind words you say about us and testimonials, the more suggestions you put in and let us know.
Getting close
things
to
you wanna
this level here,
The
but it could be
faster
support.
things will get done.
This could be support right here as
The
well.
more you harass Levi, the faster things will get done. And the more likely it will be that he buys us all lunch one day, like he promised. He promised to buy the whole Discord lunch. I haven't seen it yet. He promised to buy me lunch.
Yeah, look at that. Really strong
Every time I
support.
see him in New York, no wallet is found. You know, isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? That thing. I think next Sunday, this Sunday, I'll open up my schedule for the following Sunday for anyone who thinks they need a little bit of extra help, one-on-one time. I'll open up my schedule for that. So watch out for that. All right, goodbye, everyone.
All right, he's done. Now it's just me again. Oh, yeah. Honestly, like, I think NASDAQ goes to 25,000 by next week, bro. It's just, there's nothing to stop this momentum. Like, no matter what you think, you're wrong. Oh, wow. Robinhood fell to 93. And I sold it at like 95, 94, somewhere around there. But let me look at SPY on here, or SPX. So looking at SPX, you go on the 1 day time frame. This shit can run, bro. I mean, look at where it's meant to go. Like, it's meant to go. You're looking at probably. Yeah, that looks like 8,000. Yeah, that looks straight like 8,000. Now you can even move this shit more in the middle to get an idea. Now you're looking at about 7,500 next week. I wouldn't short this shit. Not with a fucking dollar. Not with a fucking dollar. Not with a fucking penny. Let alone a fucking dollar. The dollar is a donation shorting this shit. I wonder if it does touch this shit though, and like it's wrong on its buy. It was right on the other one. 1 minute has been okay, but it would struggle on a day like this where it's too bullish. Oh, now he's gone. Now what do we listen to? Yeah, nobody should be short at all. Look at this shit. Just zoom out. How many points in 2 days? At the low, 400. 450 points in 2 days. So if we're doing the math, we're at 23,070. So 23,070 in the next 2 days. But you also have to count tomorrow. Even though the market's closed, you have to count tomorrow. You just can't count the weekend. So tomorrow would be another 225. So that would be 23,295 going into the weekend. And then we're looking at 250, 500, 750, 1,000. 1,125, so plus 1,125 I was close. You're looking at about $24,420 on NASDAQ next week alone by Friday. So, not investment advice. But that, from my calculations, I mean, which I think is proper calculations, it's literally just taking what we do literally every single day, and it's not like we're not doing this. Like this was what was going on here? Oh, this was just one day, right? One day, but then it just recovered all of it in the same day. It recovered all of it overnight, right? So even if it's a little bit red on the day, it'll recover every penny overnight. Yeah. So this is probably what's going to happen again. Yeah, so something like this. So, I mean, we could even go further back. The low was 21. We'll just call it 21.7. That week, 22.7. So that was 1,000 points in a week. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I think. I think NASDAQ reaches, let's just call it 24,500 by next Friday. That's wild. Calls are being picked up. Puts are selling off. Oh, I got my alert set, so I got an MNQ sell into 5. Super buy, sell, super buy, super trend, sell, super trend, buy. I'm just curious, how long we're going to use this for support. I mean, we are a little overbought, little bit, like barely anything. This might as well not even be considered overbought. It's not, because it's at 75. Yeah. 80 would be considered overbought. Yeah. Let's see if we use this as support. How's the P&L looking so far? Freaking good day today, man. Freaking good day. Nobody should be short. Up 800. 800 on the day, guys. 800. Literally just the Robinhood put, which I said yesterday, and then just going long. Like, why is anybody buying puts? Why is anybody buying puts, guys? 800 on a day, just like that. I'm chilling. I am chilling. Nobody should be short. You should literally just be long. Even when every candle is red, long. Because what happens is you have these red candles, right? Let me see if I can find it on the chart. So let me see if I can find it on a chart, right? So you see how this red candle is here? This red candle is higher than that red candle. You know what I'm saying? It's just like the red candles go up too, guys. Like, it's no bullshit. It's no secrecy. This one's a red candle. This red candle's higher than the last one, So it's like, you see these red candles right here? This red candle's higher than the last one. It's always just going to be higher than the last one. Markets just go up. The market just goes up. Oops. Let me see. It looks like it looks very close to this super trend line. If anything, I would assume another buy signal. Like, it's just going to hit. Like, this is the support level. Like, it literally tells you right here, this line right here, this green line right here. You see how it just comes to it, wicks off the line, goes back up, comes back down towards it. Now it could fall through it. That's definitely a possibility. Will it? Well, let's go back in time and see what happened yesterday. Did it do that yesterday? All right, let me try zooming out a little bit more. Where's yesterday? This is yesterday. So we had really, really big run up. We had one short. Was this yesterday? No, this is at 12 a.m. Where's PM? Oh, sorry. It was right here. Okay. That makes way more sense. So you have the huge run up. And it told you to sell here, but Price just went up. Just buy, and just buy. Fuck it. All right, let me turn on my thing since he's not going to be talking anymore. Then that way I can go. What time is it? 10:46. Maybe time for a snack. Yeah, could be time for a snack. Which one was a good one? Daydreaming good? Yep, that one's good. I think it's time for a little snack break. Yeah, 100%. No, there's nobody should be short. Not a soul. You should not be short. You should be selling every fucking thing you have to my calls. Every fucking thing you have, bro. Sell your bed, sell your fucking chair, sell the fucking light bulb you have up here to a pawn shop. You should be fucking lost. Not financial advice, you Frank. I got something special today. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I got something special today, guys. So, y'all want to take a guess what this is? That's right, it's a small cup. But there's nothing in it, right? That's because I got this shit. Boom. Bold House Farms Classic Ranch 50 calories, man. Like, just look at this shit, right? Buttermilk, cultured non-fat milk, sodium citrate, vitamin A, filtered water. Who gives a fuck about all that, right? We're looking for 1 gram of pure protein, 2 grams of sugar, 4 grams of fat. That's with 2 tablespoons. You gotta shake that shit well. That's about 2 tablespoons right there.
about 2 tablespoons right there. Yeah, some of that ranch, man, that classic. Now, what we got in here? Anyone want to take a guess? What do you eat with ranch? Got that barbecue sauce? I thought they didn't like barbecue sauce. No, maybe they did. No, they did, because I remember they ate wings with barbecue sauce. They did that eating challenge. My favorite video was that double quarter pounder one. Because that one was like, they went to the drive-thru and he was like, Keith was like, can y'all cut it in half? And the dude was like, no. So they went to a different McDonald's and the lady said, yeah, we'll cut it in half. And then she never cut it in half. It was the funniest thing. Carrots? Nah, man, no carrots, man. Look at that, man. Oh shit. Look at that. Y'all see that in there? Y'all know what the fuck that is? Probably not. That is celery. You can't go wrong with celery. How am I gonna get fat eating this shit? I can't get fat eating no fucking celery. Should I have washed it before I ate it? It came out the bag. Hold on, I'm gonna go wash this shit real quick. I forgot to do that. All right, how you doing? Eating some celery and ranch? I know that's not what you asked, but that is how I'm doing. You can't get fat eating this shit. How am I gonna get fat? If anything, my body is probably like, oh shit, nutrients. Look at this strong support right off of it. Do I love this shit? No. But it's healthy. I need a bit more ranch. I'm not able to squeeze it all the way down there. There we go. I mean, the only time I really eat the ranch is with this. Other than that, it would be some fried chicken. Buy the fat-free ranch. I mean, it's only got 4 grams of fat. 4 grams of fat, 1 gram of saturated fat. I mean, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, man. There we go. Now I can get my green sticks in there. My body getting all the nutrients right now. Eating celery sticks benefits. Good source of vitamin A, C, and K, as well as folate, potassium, and fiber. Celery's high water content, 95%, also contributes to hydration and can be a refreshing snack, especially in warm weather. Additionally, celery helps with weight management due to its low calorie count and high fiber content, which can promote feelings of fullness. Speaking of that, I think next time I will go get those like cut carrots, like those baby ones, those baby carrots. Ooh, that sounds good. But do I have to steam those or can I just eat them out the thing? Let me see. My thing's in the way. Do you have to steam carrots, baby carrots? No, you don't have to steam them, but it's a great way to cook them. About 3 minutes in the microwave. Stainless steel basket that's over a pot of boiling water. I don't have a steamer, so I do it in the microwave. I just get a tub, put a tiny bit of water in it, put the veg in, and put it in the microwave. It only takes a few minutes. I guess that's what I'll try, because I don't have a steamer either. Guess maybe I could go buy one. Oh, I think you guys are really going to enjoy the new video on the second channel that I'm making with... No, you eat them straight out the bag. I feel like I would like them better if I steamed them. But I think, dude, I have this video coming out next week, right? It's next week's thing. It's going to include DoorDash, man. I'm excited. Look at that resistance. Or support, sorry. Support right there. This is just going to be a repeat of yesterday. This is just a repeat of this. That's cool. Dude, I was up late last night waiting for fucking signals and I got tired. I got hella tired. Oh, this is the 1 minute. I only had the 15 minute. Like, there was nothing, dude. Oh, this was, sorry. Yeah, there was nothing. Up until earlier when I told you to go short here and then go long here. Look at that, man. Look at that green stick right there. You just can't go wrong with this shit, right? You wanna be healthy, you wanna get some abs. You wanna look good while you're having sex. You don't want to have chest pains while you're having sex, you know? You gotta eat this green shit. Wonder how Hood is doing. Probably still going down. Yeah, should have held on to that Hood a little bit longer. I would have been up maybe another $100. Depends. God damn. That one was a tough stick of celery. I definitely think I'm gonna take a nap tonight though. Yesterday we streamed for 7 hours, bro. I felt like crap while I was delivering. Damn. The ranch really helps it. The ranch really helps this shit. Oh, that's interesting. This Bolt House Farm shit says yogurt dressing and dip. They make a damn good ranch, I'll give them that. It makes eating celery bearable. These sticks are kind of small though. Not able to get in there. Let's see how my video's doing. The oversaturation is real. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, too many drivers. I see you have a Mazda. Great cars. What model I drive for DoorDash? My 2017 Mazda 3. Nice. I have a 2025 Mazda 3 Preferred Edition. Please, people, stop doing DoorDash. People get a regular job. You're taking my business away from us who use it as supplemental income. Yeah, listen to this guy. Yeah, listen to this guy. I wonder when people are going to start realizing those thumbnails that I'm using are just from my old videos. I don't make any new ones. They're just from my old ones. I got 2 more. Two more of these. One more and I'm done with celery for the day. Let's fucking do it, guys. Let's fucking do it. Gone. Good snack. Good snack. Now we really cutting. I think today I'm gonna get myself a grilled chicken wrap or some chicken kebabs. Grilled chicken kebabs. One of those two. Looks like it's that time of day again. AMLO time, yippee. Be back. I wonder if I'll ever be able to get off that amlodipine. I take the highest strength one, you know? Like, I take amlodipine 10 milligram. Like, that's the highest you can get. I take the fucking highest one. Yeah, I don't know how much there is more for me today, guys. As we can see, the market is just going to go up. The market is just going to go up. That's what it does. That's what it's intended to do. I feel like some shit stuck in the back of my throat. Probably that celery. Nice bottle of water finished. Nice celery eaten. I had some rouse for breakfast though. Can't fault me on it. It's 400 calories. Come on. So we're talking 400 calories. We're talking, yeah. I gotta go use the bathroom. I gotta go use the bathroom, guys. I gotta go use the bathroom. Drank too much water. Yeah, bathroom's right behind me too. Oh man, I'm so excited for this DoorDash video. So excited for the second channel though. Really trying to build up the second channel here. Really trying my best. Oh no, I signed out, you motherfucker. I signed out of my fucking account. Oh my god, I just signed out of my fucking YouTube account. I meant to just switch the fucking password. I signed out of everything. You motherfucker, it signed me out of every account that I have. Oh no, it signed me out. I don't have it set. I don't have a fucking password set. Oh my god, it signed me out of every account. Oh my fucking god. I don't even know if I'm fucking live anymore. I literally just wanted to fucking see my second channel. I'm still signed in here. Let me see, is my live stream still going? Even though I'm signed out? I got an ad. Let's fucking go. I got an ad. Let's fucking do this shit. Oh no, my stream's still going. The quality kind of blows. What's my thing set at? 720p and it looks like that? Why is the quality so bad? Click higher picture quality, but yeah, that looks bad. Click higher picture quality, so bad. It's like Inception. It's like Inception.
It's like Inception. It's like Inception.
That's crazy.
It's like Inception.
That's crazy. All right, let me stop that. Stop that shit. Let me stop that shit. That's funny as fuck. That's actually fucking jokes. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, check the second channel. Let's check the second channel. Switch the account. Switch. I feel like I have a good idea to grow the second channel. On my main channel, what I did when I stopped doing DoorDash was I was doing giveaways, but I would give away the shit. Like I was doing it all wrong. I would give away the shit in the video, but then again, it was titled giving away gift cards. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite restaurant to eat at? We're going to pick a random comment in the next video, and whoever wins is going to get a $25 DoorDash gift card on me. Get some dinner on me. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah, bro. We fucking go crazy, man. I'm getting in the zone on the second channel. I'm getting in the zone. We got the anatomy scan as well. Which means I'm going to finally know the baby's gender coming soon. I'm actually not going to be able to know. My fiance wants the doctor to put it in an envelope. And we're going to give the envelope to like one of those cake decorators. And then we're going to do something for the gender reveal. So there's going to be the DoorDash video. There's going to be the gender reveal video. We're going fucking crazy. Guys. And then in the gender reveal video, I'm gonna be like, let me know down below, guys, what is a good name for the baby? And I'm going to be picking a comment at random, and you're gonna win a $25 Amazon gift card. Let's fucking go. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Peace. I gotta piss. I'll be back. What's up, guys? It's your boy Money Wu back at it again, man. We out here. We doing it. Don't pull out the candles of the gender reveal cake. The color is all over the candles. It's ruined more than one reveal. Ooh. I don't think we'll have candles. Do people put candles in a gender reveal cake? Because the gender reveal is just going to be private between me and my fiance. and YouTube, of course. Let me look up like gender reveal cakes. Gender reveal cake. Yeah, so the Publix by me does it. Nothing Bundt cakes does it as well. They're pretty cheap, $42, $40. Explode Flower Shop Explosion Cake. That's cool. Yeah, so basically what do? They just put the color in? Yeah, so we won't put no candles in it, I guess. Or maybe we will and we just won't take it out. Yeah. We'll put one side boy, one side girl. And then we'll be like, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy again, back at it again with a gender reveal. Make sure to watch this video all the way because we're going crazy in this video. That's literally how these people, I was watching these other family channels and I'm just like, that's tiring. And then I was like, if I really want to create a family channel, I would want it to be similar style to, you guys remember BF versus GF, right? Prank versus prank, Gina and Jesse. Like they were so chill, right? They were just chilling. They were just having a good time. Like they would go out and stuff and, you know, but it wasn't a lot of this like screaming, and it wasn't these fucking, hey, look at my Lamborghinis and shit. Like, I just want that shit to be like chill, just like a fun time for the fam, you know? Ooh, let me go back to MNQ. Are we? Nah. I mean, it's coming down a little bit. This is the 1 minute, but I wonder if this is still overbought. It is. That one fixed itself. But yeah, just like I want it to be more chill, like BF versus GF was. One thing that I did notice though is, I guess it's because you see it, like all relationships come to an end eventually. Unless you're married for life. But it's like, you know, it's you notice it, like the BF versus GF, that couple ended up never getting married and then they split up. But I think a majority of the time that these people split up, it's because the dude wants more women. I think that's usually what it is. Like that was the thing with the Ace family. Austin and McBrokey wanted more women. I'm trying to think of who else. There's not very many family channels I watched. I think Roman Atwood is still with his girl. Is Roman Atwood still married? Yeah. So Roman Atwood's still married to Brittany Atwood. So they're still together. So yeah, I just want to be more chill like that, you know. Plus, I'm still waiting for the new iPhone to come out. That way, I could have good, what's it called? Good quality, or at least better quality than what I have on this iPhone. This iPhone's not too bad, actually. What's up, guys? It's your boy Roman at Poop. Back at it again with the motherfucking banger. My Snap story today had 177 views somehow. I have no fucking clue how. I think it was from the public post that I made on Spotlight. But it says only 32, so I don't get it. The duck one is 584. So I don't know how that shit works. It still says, oh, my follower count is finally growing. Now it says 174. Holy shit. Now my follower count is growing. It said I should have had $25 of ad credit on Snapchat. I don't know if I even want to keep building the Snapchat. Like, I don't know what I have to do to build the Snapchat. My total followers is growing, so that's good. But everything, all of it is from ads. So maybe I'll just have to, I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work. But I had a funny ass video that I posted. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat, behind the scenes shit, but I had a funny ass one that I posted. Let me turn this shit off. Pause that. Let me go here. Yeah, so this one was funny as fuck that I posted. Hold on, is it? Oh my god, I don't have my thing on. Hold on. Okay, now my thing is on. Now you should be able to hear it. All right, here we go. This one was funny as fuck.
I'm sorry to say this, sir, but we have diagnosed you with stage 4 cancer.
Double it and give it to the next person.
It doesn't work like that.
Yes, it does. Goodbye.
Sorry, I forgot my phone.
You have stage 8 cancer.
What the fucking fuck? Not me, you idiot. The next person. I'm sorry to say this, sir, but we have diagnosed you with...
Double it and give it to the next person. I should probably get another story up or something. I really don't fucking know how this works on Snapchat. But I mean, most recent one. Oops, I didn't mean to copy that. So 33 non-followers watched this shit. Basically, I just steal shit off of Instagram and I put it on my Snapchat. Yeah, so what I do is I just fucking go on Instagram. I find some shit that's AI, right? Because AI is not really copyrighted. And then I just fucking post that shit to my public thing, and then hopefully people follow and shit. I don't know. Speaking of that, I should probably see. I think I had a couple videos that were funny. Oh, this one's funny. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna steal this video. I'm gonna copy the link. Instagram video downloader. We're gonna go to this one. No, that's the wrong one. This one doesn't actually download it. Just gives you fucking AIDS. All right, this one, paste, download, right? So now what I'm doing is I'm stealing this dude's content and putting it on my Snapchat so that I can gain followers. Might want to invest in the jails. Consider the fact that one big beautiful bill will be passing today. Might want to invest in the jails. Why? Why do I want to invest in jails? You got to give me the reason. You can't just tell me to invest in jails. What's the reason? While you're doing that, I'm going to save this video now. Now I have to edit it. I have to edit this video to crop out the original owner. Here we go. Boom. Crop out the original owner. Done. And now there's no recollection that the other person ever made this video. As far as it goes, this shit is mine now. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my public profile, spotlight, post to spotlight, boom. We're going to send this to my story. We're going to put it on spotlight, boom, send it over. Lots of people going to jail, going to be going to jail. Why is that? You're not really telling me the reason. I might want to invest in jails because lots of people are going to be going to jail. Oh, another juice up in the market. Yeah, nobody should be short. Nobody should be short. All right, so now I'm just waiting for this to post onto my thing. Yeah, so hopefully that does well. The mass deportations are in the bill. I thought they were going to that alligator shit, whatever it was called.
How do Austin and Igor feel about each other?
I can't speak for Austin because I don't know. I think like what he's done publicly to kind of just like he got him a shirt on Christmas that says something about stepfather or something. Okay, is he doing this for the Snapchat or is he doing this because he actually thinks he's stepfather worthy?
Yeah.
You know?
Have you met Austin's new?
Yeah, I met her. Yeah. I met her about a year ago. Yeah.
Festival season is massive.
What a weird family.
Is this denim yoke skirt? But you know me, I love a white skirt, but discreet. How do you feel about that?
I like her. I think honestly, I feel like my kids are the best. Like they're the best judge. You know, when they'll come and give me information. Oh, I don't even ask. Oh, we just did this with Alexis, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like did you guys have fun? And like just kind of seeing their like interactions and how they talk about her or anybody for that matter, just anyone. I get good vibes, you know, and I think like at the end of the day, it's like people meet each other where they're at. So that's them. That is their journey, and I don't judge. I don't have any judgment.
What a weird family.
Exactly, Mishy. They want to build Alcatraz in the Everglades. I saw it. I saw it flooded. Actually, I don't know if that was true. If that was just some liberals saying that, but yeah, I saw it was a little. It got flooded or something like that. Either way, bro, just follow the fucking Snapchat, bro. Follow the Snapchat. Market's coming down a little bit. Little bit. I think it hit MVC actually. Yeah, it was like 30 cents away. So it hit that. Maybe a sell-off into the end of the day. I mean, it's not unlikely. Like that could happen. Who's that man right there? Who's this guy right here? Who's that guy right there, man? Who's that guy right there, man? That's me right there, man. It won't focus. Focus. Fuck it. 312 views is good. That's good. Ooh, another subscriber. Nice. Let's check Snapchat now. See if I got any views on it. No views yet. No views yet. The duck lore video did well.
Because it's our duty, son. Why is it our duty? Because we're ducks, and it's what we do. Why is it what we do? I don't know, son.
That one did well. The SpongeBob one did bad.
Hey, look, free ice cream. How you doing? Wait a minute. SpongeBob! Make mine a chocolate.
Patrick's funny.
Sorry to say this, sir, but we have diagnosed you with stage 4 cancer.
Double it and give it to the next person.
That one's the funniest to me. I don't know why. Double it and give it to the next person. We're sorry, sir. You have cancer. Double it and give it to the next person. That's not how that works. Yes, it does. Goodbye. Yes, it does. Goodbye. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person right now. Double it, double it, double it and give it. Double it and double it and double it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it and give it to the next person. Double it, and double it, double it, double it, double it, double it. That's how it's done, boys. You want to build a Snapchat? You just AI's got your fucking back. All you need is AI. Because how are they going to copyright it? How are you going to copyright AI? Oh yeah, you can't. And then it's like shit. You know, people watch that shit. It's funny as fuck. And yeah, that's what the fuck we're doing. All right, market's pushing up on SPX again. Maybe we should double it and give it to the next person. Net drift is weird though. It's like there's way more puts than there are calls. Very, very weird. Sometimes you just got to double it and give it to the next person. Where's this market going to go? The net drift volume is so weird. It's so negative. Double it and give it to the next person. Meatloaf for lunch. Yeah. Ain't nobody trying to eat no fucking meatloaf, man. Go get some real food. I got some chicken shawarma in my freezer right now. It's one of those frozen meals. I got it at Sprouts because my dog likes to eat only the Sprouts canned food. Fucking, I saw it just out the corner of my eye, chicken shawarma. And I was like, fuck it. Let's get some chicken fucking shawarma. So I might eat that one for lunch. But it's too early for lunch right now, 11:30. I usually eat lunch closer to 1. And then I have like snacks in between. So we had some celery and some ranch. And then maybe later I'll get a watermelon. Or I could get some grapes. All right, plenty of food that we can eat. Plenty. Yeah, man, you can't go wrong with the chicken shawarma, though. Your frozen lunch ain't topping my meatloaf, son. Man. No, nobody wants meatloaf. They want frozen chicken shawarma. To be fair, nowadays frozen foods are pretty good. Like, I mean, if you get the good quality ones, if you get the lower quality, cheap ones, of course, you know, that's what you're going to get. But the better quality ones, they taste pretty good. Like, if you serve that shit to me at a restaurant, I would probably think the fucking chef cooked that shit up in the back. I'd be like, yeah, it's not bad. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. My market's just the most boring thing ever. I can't believe they did the same thing 2 days in a row. Run it up and then flat. What happened at the end of the day yesterday? Did we go down? Like, did anything happen? It was a bit more volatile. Today is zero volatility. So much so that even on the 1 minute, this shit can't get into an entry exit. The only entry was here and that was it. Sometimes you just gotta eat that chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma. Double it and give it to the next person. All right, let me try to find some more Instagram videos. Fell on black. What an idiot.
This nigga got a picture of his license plate. Took the picture, framed it, and put black. But I get pulled over for not wearing a seatbelt. What the fuck, man? That's actually some wild shit. I ain't gonna hold you. Shut the fuck up.
I'm saving that one. That one's funny as hell. I'm gonna save that one. That one will be posted later. I'm worse than a reaction channel because I don't react to it. I just take it and claim it. My shit now. But it's Snapchat, so who cares? You know, on YouTube I can't do that. Snapchat, I don't know what I'm doing with Snapchat. I don't know if I even gain any followers from that shit. Like, does anyone even see my shit? I don't even know. Probably not. All right, we hit MVC. 6280. That's it. What do we do from here? Do we go higher, lower, double it? What do we do from here? Let me see if my Snapchat story got any views now. Nothing yet. Come on, guys. It's been 12 minutes. Give me a damn view on my shit. These guys on the front page of Snap Spotlight must get paid a ton of money. Yeah, they probably get paid a ton of money because Snapchat be having hella ads. Still climbing. We are still climbing to the moon. Still climbing to the moon. We are 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 climbing so hard to the moon. Nobody is selling. Everybody is buying. Nobody is selling. Everybody is buying. This is crazy to me. How much has the 1 minute one made today? 567. How much has the 15-minute one made? 1,000. The 3-month one went crazy, up 36,000. Where did we enter this shit? I'm so curious. Where did that shit even enter? April 1st of 2024. Oh my goodness. RSI is going a bit high again. We are going to the moon. We are going to the moon. We are going to the moon. We're going to the moon. Nothing's stopping us now. We're about to be 23,100. Banger. We are at MVC now. What now? Market closes in like less. No, it's an hour and 20 minutes. Market closes in an hour 20. Spam calling me. Fuck you, spam. I'm not answering that shit. I ain't answering that shit. They're leaving me a voicemail? No. Market is booming. Look at this shit. It's just straight up. Stop playing with me. Straight up. That's crazy how much this market has moved up, though. I will say it is crazy how much this market has moved up. 23,096, 23,097,
23,098. 23,100. There it is. There it is, boys. 23,100. I hope y'all saw that. That was real. That was not fake. That was real. 23,100. That was real. That was real. It happened. That actually happened. Like, I'm in shock. 23,100. Wow. It happened. We were all here for it. 23,100. Look at this shit. Another straight line up. Oh, man. 23,100. So that means SPX is 6281. There is a new MVC now at 6290. Could SPX hit 6290? Maybe that shit does hit 6290. I don't know. All I know is that this market is insane. This market is just actually insane. Can't even get any alerts on the 1 minute because if you didn't buy here, it's over for you. It is over for you. Still going, 23,099. Seems like it's a big struggle at 23,100. I just don't even know where it would go back to. If it even retraced to where? You know what I'm saying? Like, where do you even retrace to? Things don't have to come down. Yeah. I mean, he could get off the phone and say, great phone call with Putin. Yada, yada, yada. Skleep, sklap, skloop. And that would be it. Like, it's crazy how many of these we had yesterday. We ain't got none of that today. Like, it never came back down. It never came back down today. Skleep, skloop. Tired. Skleep, skloop. All right, let's see how my Snapchat is doing. There we go. We got a view. Let's go. Strong rejection at 23,100 then. Yeah, looks like maybe SPX goes to 6290 next. Yeah, I mean there's no pullback per se. There's nowhere for the market to pull back to. It's literally just going to be flat and up. Like, I mean, I guess this is no, it hasn't. It has not once today since open. No, actually, this was open. So told you to short here and then just go long here, and then that was it. Up 594 on the 1 minute, on the 15, probably, yeah, 1138. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What a market. What a market, man. Strong rejection. But where does it go down to? Like, like, oh, to there. That's where it goes down to. Yeah. Honestly, guys, like, I think I might be done early. I'm tired. I am tired today. And market's going to close in an hour anyway. I don't see any sort of downwards movement at all. Yeah, I'm tired, guys. Fuck me for waking up so early. What could I eat? When I get tired and bored like this, I just want to eat. I thought that celery would fill me up, but I guess I'll just keep looking for some Instagram videos to steal, even though I did get a good one just now.
That's China. That's plastic. 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 From China. Very good. Thanks for destroying the ocean. Whoa! Mr. That's my boy!
I'm gonna steal that one.
Thanks, China.
I feel like they need to stir this shit up before I get it, because I look like a fucking white woman trying
swirl this shit around outside. Like, man, I'm a thug, nigga. I gotta swirl and shit. Stir my shit up before I'm, you know what I'm saying? Obstacle, I found this L pod on the.
He's gonna grab the Twizzler. Oh, he missed
When you stop.
Welcome to Wendy's. What would you like? Oh my god, no way. Is this an AI drive-through?
Yes, I'm going to stretch the guy. What can I get you?
Wow, that is absolutely incredible. Please, damn, wow, this thing is buzzing. Alright. Can I get a... Try and throw some curveballs at you.
Pringles sauce. What can I get you?
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, my bad. Should I get an orange dreamsicle frosty? That thing looks unreal. Wow.
Which size of the orange dreamsicle sauce?
Look at this small piece.
What else can I get you?
You got this thing. Unbelievable. Wow, you're buzzing. Alright.
Excuse me. I was wondering, do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I do.
Man, that boy took one for the team. I'm sorry.
Stealing that one.
What do you think, buddy? You got
Can you come?
Nick likes Filipino food.
I like Filipina.
Yep, that one's getting saved. This market is boring. This market is hella boring, boys. What the fuck? Can't get no damn fucking signals. This shit is boring. This shit is hella boring. This shit is like boring. I'm going back to going Instagram videos. Actually, let me check my Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat, guys. Oh, 2 views. Let's go. Let me check the public profile. Did it get any views? 1. Fuck Snapchat, bro. Fuck. I want to get that $25 of free ad credit because I spent 25, so I should get 25 of free ad credit. Or else I'm chatting with support. I ain't playing. Oh shit. Market coming down finally? Oh shit. This shit could actually hit, guys. This shit could actually hit. Hold on. Hold on. We could actually get a fucking sell signal here. We might get a sell signal, guys. We might get a we might get a short. This might be it. This might be it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. False alarm. Back to Snapchat. False alarm, guys. No sell signal. We wicked right off of it again. I need I need to figure out how can we get more. Like, why did this video get 181, but the one right before it with my dog only got 34? It's got to be something to Snapchat that I don't know about. Maybe I just have to keep posting like a lot. Maybe that's just it. Maybe I just gotta like post a lot and hopefully. I don't know. How do you gain followers on Snapchat is my question. Like, how do people even find you? On Spotlight or Insight? I really don't know. Well, it looks like we're not having a short signal here.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Are you kidding me? Who parked their disgusting piece of crap right next to my car? Gotta be kidding. Out of all the places to park, why right there? Gotta be. Huh?
What are you doing? Activating them.
Ma'am, come up and
I don't want the damn penny. Move 'em.
Hard duty, you gotta deal, man. No. Ma'am, you take pennies?
No.
Yeah.
You gotta take that to the porn store. Tell you what I say?
Huh?
There's a coin store machine up there. You have to take that to the porn store. Look.
ain't got time. You want to get somebody video game? No, I don't want no video.
That's
I don't want to take. Here you go, man. This all you have. You gotta go to the store. So I ain't got time. Right here, man. No. You know what? No. Huh? Ma'am, how much? I don't want the damn thing. Move. Huh?
Do cats like jazz?
There's Anthony running. Where's the surprise? Nothing's happening. How much do I owe you? Just $20. Not too much. Stop. I need $2. Grandpa, leave me the fuck alone! Grandpa, will you just chill out? Can you call security for me?
Wait. Alright, push it down. Scare them out. It's not like this. Where is it? They can just go like this. And... Oh. God. Cockroach? Wait. Alright, push it down.
Bro, stop. You're not gonna scare. Ma'am, you're not taking my carrot. Come on. I'm real. There you go, babe. Alright, okay. Never mind. Sorry, my friend. Are you guys open right now? Right?
When I bought this one?
Ma'am, count the pennies.
Security, you need a extra 8.
Number 1, your question is, what is your biggest mistake?
Now, fucked up. Take my phone.
Yo, what? That shit just went bro.
Now, fucked up. Take my phone.
Yo, what? That shit just went bro. Yo, bro, I see something moving. Like, why are you moving like that? Yo, bro. Shit, that just knocked the shit into the wall, twin.
What's up, twin? How you doing, twin? Me and my twin right here, we chilling. 4 contracts for the 4th of July. If you want followers, put your snap on your YouTube channel. Yeah, I did. But I don't think it's going to work because I have my second channel in the description of the videos, and even that doesn't work. So this shit is tiring. We got less than an hour anyway. We got, what, 54 minutes until market close? 54 minutes until market close. $54 minutes until this market closes. A whole lot of nothing again.
que todo
Dude, man.
Look, you can do it the easy way or the hard way.
Stop, man. Yes, you are, man.
I am not.
Yes, you are, man.
No, I am
Yes,
not.
you're dog.
We do not have changes, period. I don't know what you don't.
Yes.
I don't know what you don't understand. We don't.
Yes,
Go
you
there to go.
do, man.
Look.
Smart
Guys.
Smart
Guys.
yourself. Good morning to you.
You конечно, не художник.
You're looking at it.
Stop playing with me, man.
All right, up close and personal.
The scalp help.
She go out with all that ass out cause she looking for attention.
Man, you just walking down the aisle eating grapes.
Sorry.
Yes, sweetie.
Here, pick you up.
You're funny. Wait, is this my Uber?
Yeah, hop in.
I'll hop in that, all right.
I'm gonna save that one just because I feel like that one will do good in the algorithm. Maybe they'll follow.
Something's in my ass. Something's in my ass.
Oh, I can't do that one. I gotta unsave that one.
Something's in.
Man, do your job, please. Do your... Can I get 2 large chilies?
Texas.
All that glitters, glitters, glitters.
No. Since 19. They see me up in traffic, they say cheesy over no.
Can we get mayo? Some more mayo. Mayo. Yep, I love my mayo. Yep. A little more mayo. Like I want like a mountaintop. Yeah.
Yo, fuck boy, you want a donut? You want a donut? You want a donut?
I am not being.
Yo, fuck boy, you want a donut? Boy, fuck you. You wanna talk?
We weren't ready for help.
Who wants coffee? I just.
Oh God! He got fired, y'all, and this is what he's doing. Oh my God! He just.
But 17 years.
Oh no! What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is you doing? Oh no! What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is you doing? Oh no! What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is you doing? Oh no! What the fuck is you doing?
Who the hell is this? Hello?
Could be a sell-off. Sell-off going into the end of the day. Could. This could be it. Our first thing. Wow. This was our first thing. Told us to sell here, so I guess we'll try it. This is on the 1 minute though. Definitely may not be worth it, but this was our first thing. It finally hit that point. So let's see. This is the first entry on the 1 minute since 9:51. That was the first entry since 9:51. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. Uh-oh. 1 minute may not be right. 1 minute may not be right, guys. The 1 minute may have just... I mean, this one's down 33 on its play. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. Ah, that noise. Oh, shit. Why am I so zoomed in? Hold on. No, don't zoom in. No. Stop. Zoom the fuck out. Got that shit. So this was our first little entry point here. Probably was a bad idea to follow this shit, honestly. But, I mean, I have my own personal stop loss. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. Damn. If you have a baby named Brandon or Owen, a girl Samantha or Sabrina. No, don't comment that here. You're going to have to wait until the second channel video, and then you can comment that. No, that wouldn't be that video, though. That would be on the gender reveal video. The next video will be a gift card giveaway on my second channel for DoorDash. It's going to be a DoorDash related video. So should be interesting. And then I'll write, you know, in the next video, we will pick a random winner from previous video, and people will have like a week to do it, maybe less, depending on when we do the gender reveal stuff. So do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. I'm still holding this shit from the 1 minute position. What about the 5? How close is that? not even remotely close. I doubt we get down to here, dude. 10 minute, highly doubt. I mean, there's like 30 minutes of market left. Who knows? Maybe they do a big sell-off at the very end of the day. I mean, market closes at 1, but it's not really acting like it, you know? Like, I am for sure the market closes today at 1. $1 p.m. with extended hours trading concluding at 3. I think that's today as well. This signal may have been wrong, but then again, I mean, it's not like this is volatile. This has literally been really, really flat. I'll be out there working for 4th of July. And then Saturday is a family party. Saturday is a family party. Hi, you taking any trade based on Super Trend? I missed this one, this entry. What was I doing? Well, that was the 1 minute. I only had the 15, right? But still should have been around the same time, 8:30. I was busy. But yeah, Super Trend looks great. Super Trend looks like, I mean, technically I did. I'm in this one right now on the 1 minute, which I might get out of soon. I might get out of this one soon. The 1 minute is a little shaky when it comes to this stuff. It loses a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 losses in a row, 1 win. And then it's like, yeah, that seems to happen quite a bit. It's very few, very, very few 2 wins in a row. A lot of losses in a row, though. A ton of losses in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 losses in a row on the 1 minute. So the 1 minute's definitely Lysina? What is that? No. You got to wait until the gender reveal video. Might have to close this one out for a loss. Don't know what I was expecting when the market closes so early today. But there could be a sell-off after hours. Yeah, there very well could be. Why not? Why not have a big sell-off after hours? It told me to sell right there. That's where I'm fucking selling. Now, if all of them were in agreement, you know, like if this one came through and said to sell, it's close. It is close. I mean, all it takes is one nice big spike down and we are eating fucking steak, mashed potatoes, buttered corn for dinner. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body?
So the strategy tester should be doing okay. Yeah, the strategy tester is up $6. Can we get 2 wins in a row on this strategy tester? I want to see. I definitely want to see a nice dump since this came in. I want to see a nice dump. Dump that shit and never look back. You know what I'm saying? Dump it and never look back. Let's go down like 300 points after hours. Trump gets off the phone with Putin. Putin said, "Fuck you." Boom! Straight down the market goes. Man, it didn't post my comment. No, on the next video. On the next video. You have to wait until the next video. Not the next one, but you have to wait until the video where we do the gender reveal. Then you can put your name that you think would be nice, and then we'll go from there. Let me set an artificial stop loss. Let's say let's just do $5. If it goes back to $5, I'll just sell it and eat the fee. Ooh, maybe I won't have to. Did you make any more trades? I'm in another one right now. I'm in this short from up here. Oops. I'm in this short from, oh, never mind, not there. I'm in this short from up here. Looking good so far. I might have to set an artificial stop though because market is getting a bit oversold. Which is crazy to think how much we ran up. It's like, I'm gonna set an artificial one at, let's do $8. Yeah, because that's $8.50 away. So if I lose $8 back, I'll sell. Kind of don't feel like giving it all back. It's at 12, 10, 11, 12, 15, 14. 15 minutes not going to happen. 5, I don't know if that's going to happen either. I'm going to set an artificial stop here soon at $8. I'm just going to do $8. 9, 8. Okay, I'm selling it. I sold out of that one. Okay. I just don't know how much this is going to run back up, you know. It's just so far away from here that it's like with 28 minutes in the market left. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Be right back, guys. Be right back. Did the market ended up coming down a little bit more? Where did I sell here? No, I think I held it through here. I think I held it through there, and then this candle popped up. Yeah, so pretty much the same thing. I probably would have been down a little bit more. That's crazy. Oh. Okay. I got a couple stuff in that I got to do as well. I actually have to call. I have to call for a lot of shit that I don't feel like doing today, but I have to get it done. Oh, Marcus just pushing back up for no reason. Why do we have no music in the background? There we go. Yeah, Marcus just pushing up again. I probably wouldn't play the whatever it's gonna say. It's gonna say to go long, but you're going long at the fucking top. So what happens at 1? Is that just it? Like at 1 p.m., it's just gonna close and that's it? They can't do this to us, guys. They cannot close the market like this early. Yeah, they can't do this to us, guys. Technically, would we still go short here? Right? Would we? Would we still go short here because it was a sell signal? But then again, I mean, sell signal here gets busted right away. So I really don't know. I don't think so. Maybe. I mean, if it's wicking off hard, but there's only 18 minutes left in the day. Only 18 more minutes in the day. It's going to be it, guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully everybody has a good 4th of July, depending on what you're doing. If you're lighting fireworks, that's cool. I'm probably not going to be doing that. I'm probably just going to work a little bit, see what kind of money is out there. Because the market's going to be closed. What else am I going to do? Don't really feel like gambling. I was just about to walk my fucking dog. I was just about to go out and walk my dog. Yeah, market's just bullish. It's kind of boring when it does this, honestly. There's no... is China market going to be open? Can't we trade futures tomorrow with China market? Like, why would NASDAQ be closed? I don't understand, bro. This might be a place to go short again. This could be a place to go short, but I don't know. Because we are under this, you know. Technically, I think we're higher than that sell signal from before. So, I mean, it wouldn't hurt. Let's try going short again. Should I wait for the green candle though, or what should I do, chat? What should I do? Should I wait for the green candle, or there's the green candle? Oh shit, chat. I think we're fucked. I think we're cooked. Oh, never mind. There's a green candle. Good thing we waited for that. So now should we go short? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go short here. No, the green candle went away too fast. I need this green candle. No. Yeah, it's over. It's over already. That was probably like $1,000 gone right there. Let me check. This is still in the play. Yeah, look at that. It's up. It's up a lot too. It's not even funny how much that shit is up. Wow. And it's just gonna keep growing, and I'm not in the play. I wanted to wait for a better entry. I wanted just to wait for a green candle, and I just missed out on so much money. Yeah, I just missed out on every single dollar that had to offer. It offered dollars and I missed it. Unless we can get a green candle. Red candle again. It's just, oh, wow. I should have entered on that green candle. Everything told me just enter on the green. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate when they do that, bro. No. Oh my God. This is not 33. It's going to be way higher. 63 now. I didn't enter on the fucking green candle. I knew I should have entered on the green candle. Now it's going to dump. Market's going to dump. Market's going to absolutely fucking dump right now, guys. Look at this shit. Tell me this shit is not setting up for a fucking 100-point swing down. Oh my fucking God. Wow, I missed every penny. I missed every penny of that shit. Fuck, dude. I missed every fucking penny of that shit. I missed every penny. Market closes in 14 minutes, I think. I missed every penny. I missed every penny of that, guys. Fuck. There it goes. Another huge red candle. I just wanted to enter on the green. I just wanted to enter on the fucking green, and I couldn't fucking do it. Fuck. I just wanted to enter on the green. That's it. That's all I asked for. I could have right here. It was green, or this one was green maybe, and yeah, I missed every penny of that. Yep, look at this. I missed every penny of the $61.76. I missed every penny of that. I missed every fucking penny of that shit. Let me check the 5 minute. This one's still in the long. It just went up, which means that the market probably pushed back up a little bit. But it's over. It's over. I missed it. Like, I missed the fucking move. I missed it. Like, I mean, I was in the play. I sold out here for a bit of a profit, and then I should have never did that shit. I should have never fucking did that shit. I should have never have fucking sold out of that play. I should have never sold out of that shit. Never. Look at it, just red candle after red candle. I'm ruined. Guys, I'm fucking ruined right now. Like, shit. If this doesn't make a push up a little bit, I'm ruined. This is probably over 100 right now. 94.50. I missed every fucking penny. $100. $100. There it is. I missed every penny of that $100. I missed every penny. I got a little bit. Yeah, I got a little bit. But I missed every major penny. Ooh, market's coming back up. Probably just to fix the RSI, but it's going to come right back down, guys. It is coming right back down. I missed every penny. I missed every penny of that fucking shit. There it goes. There it goes. Still going down. I missed every fucking penny. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable how I missed every single fucking penny there. That is crazy. I bought the signal too. It said sell. I went short and I fucking missed it like a fucking idiot, bro. I really sat there and missed that shit like a fucking idiot. Damn it, motherfucker, bro. I waited all day for a signal. It finally came and I just didn't listen. I just didn't listen. I mean, I did. It's just the market pushed up in a way that I didn't like here. Pushed up like this and damn. I mean, that's it. GG's. I lost. I lost it all. Just because I didn't listen to that. Every candle's red. Every candle is red, guys. Every single one of them. I missed it. I guess just it is what it is. What can I say? What can I say? We missed it. Every candle is redder than the last one. I missed it. I was in the short and I sold out right here because I saw this green candle. I got nervous. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I got nervous. I should have never got fucking nervous. Look at this shit. 117. I should have never got fucking. I should have never got fucking nervous, bro. Golly. Every fucking candle was red. Wow. Every fucking candle was red. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. I missed that shit. Unfucking believable. So is there going to be no market on imbalance today or something? Oh, Oh shit. Oh shit. What a fucking push up. Oh shit. Still far away from that, but yeah, that's gonna stop it from getting down to here. I missed that shit though. On everything, I sure did. This should be. No, that was the 15-minute one doing 900. So the 5-minute one made some good money today. 10-minute also made some decent money. The 10-minute has been spot on. Oh, I missed it, guys. I missed every penny of this. Every penny. Every fucking penny, guys. I missed it. I missed every penny. I missed every fucking penny. I am so disappointed in myself. It literally told me, it begged me to enter right here, and I did. It begged me to enter right here, and I did. And what happened? It did exactly what it said it was going to do. It did exactly what it said it was going to. I missed every fucking penny of that shit. Every penny of that. I could have been that could have been it. That could have been life-changing money right there. Gone. Fucking gone. Looks like we might break it here. There it is. There's the sell on the 5-minute. There's the sell on the 5-minute. But we are on the 1 minute though. On the EMA. I want to see if we have a push up from the EMA to the. I want to see if we pull up from here. We're low. Holy shit, we're very low on the 1 minute RSI. Yep, the 5-minute told me to sell. The 1 minute told me to sell. The 1 minute told me. The 1 minute begged me. The 1 minute begged me and said, please just fucking buy a put. It just begged me, bro, and I fucking ate shit. I followed it, but yeah, the RSI is a little low on the 1 minute. I feel like it's gonna want to pull up from there, wouldn't it? Maybe not. Maybe we should just go short. I mean, if it's just gonna fall under like that, maybe we... Oh my god, I didn't follow it. Fuck. It told me to sell. It literally fucking told me to do it. It begged me to do that shit. It begged me to fucking buy a put and I didn't do it. That's crazy. That is crazy. It said, please go short. And I said, no. Oh my God, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. What's the point of this if I'm not going to follow the fucking play? If I'm not following the fucking play, man. Do. You know what I'm saying? I had a feeling it was a little low on the RSI. That's why I didn't want to go short down here. I should have went short up here. That's where I should have went short, was up here. I'll check the 5-minute again. Yeah, see, it's not giving the signal anymore. It's not giving the signal no more. You gotta wait for the candle to actually cross through. You gotta wait for that candle to close. Yeah, big pushback. This could get This could go into a buy signal soon here. Yeah, this could go into a buy signal here soon. If it pushes up, this could go into a buy signal again. Do I even want to? Probably not. Probably not, man. Oh, it just flipped red. Oh, it's wicking off that. All right, let's go short. Let's go short. I'm going so fucking short. It's not even funny. No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't go short. I should not go short. No, I should not go short. I should not. I want to see if we break through this. Wow, there's one short delta now there at 62.90 again, where it was last time. Let's see if this breaks through. I want to see if this breaks through. The 5 minute is still on a buy. I want to see that 1 minute. Will it break through on the 1 minute? If not, and it wicks off, then I might, yeah, let's go short. I'm going to go short here. Yeah, I'm going to go short up here. Because we're wicking off of it. If we break it, then I'll just get out of the position. Simple. Yeah. If we break it, I'll just get out of the position. Oh, we're going to break it. That was fast. we were wicking off of it, sir. Now it's saying buy. Okay. Yeah. Oh, no. Signal's gone. Oh, now it's saying buy again. Yeah, just broke it. Shit. Now it's a buy signal. Yep, now it's a buy signal. Like, this is not a sell signal. This is a buy signal. So did the other one lose? No, it gained 96. And now the buy signal is winning and I'm fucking losing because I'm in a short. Because I thought that it was going to wick back. But it never ended up doing that shit. It never ended up wicking back. Fuck. It never ended up wicking back for me. To be fair, it's so close to fucking being such a short. A good short. The big short. It turned into a buy signal. Everyone's buying right now except for me. I'm the only person who went short. I'm the only person in this whole world who just went short. Fuck. Everyone went long, yeah. It literally begged me. It begged me to go long, and I went short. The only reason I went short was because we wicked off. We wicked off, and I thought, fuck, man. Damn it. Yeah, the 1 minute is... Fuck this. Fuck this whole... Fuck day trading. Fuck this shit. I don't give a fuck about this shit. Fuck all this bullshit. I don't give a fuck about no fucking day trading. Fucking bullshit ass fucking day trading. My ass fucking day trading. And this idiot said, oh, yes, it's closed on my screen. Yeah. One minute. I feel like there's something right there. Market's closed. That's it. Market should be closed. That's it. Market should be closed. Extended hours should be going on now. But overall market should be closed. Robinhood says server error. Robinhood shit says server error. That's funny. That's it though. Market's closed. There is no more market for 3 days. And then at 9 a.m. fucking Monday, I gotta go. Thank God I have the alerts. I'll just follow the alerts, but I gotta go to that appointment Monday. That's it. Market's closed now. Oh wow, Robinhood servers are messing up. Are we gonna get a sell signal on the 5? Oh shit, we did. Oh shit, we do have a sell signal on the 5. Why didn't it notify me? Piece of shit. The fuck? This piece of shit didn't notify me. Oh, because the candle never closed. Okay, so it does say sell. It's like flickering between sell and don't sell. It's like it doesn't know, doesn't really know what it wants to do. It's like, should we sell? I don't really know. Don't really know. Don't really know. Don't really know if we should sell it. Don't know if we should sell it. Do we sell it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We did not break it. We didn't break it yet. Now it says sell. All right, review. Bye. Let's go. All right, I'm in a sell. I'm in a sell. I trust this shit. I trust the 5 minute. The 5 minutes where the fucking dollars are at. Oh yeah, this shit never closed. Fuck, the thing didn't close though. This shit could go 5 minutes in the opposite direction right now. What's up, Jose? I don't need this anymore. Nice. Come on. Give me the sell signal again. All right. I'm trusting the 5, man. We're so close to it. There's no way we just catapult up even higher. Oh, we are. Shit. Damn, you can't short this, guys. This shit is going to 50,000 by next week, by Monday open. I would be shocked if this shit wasn't 50,000. I would be shocked if NASDAQ did not open at 50,000 next Monday open. Right now it's at 23,000. I would be shocked if that bitch did not open up higher. It's flickering that sell, though. It really wants to sell, man. I mean, we can't just go up forever. Come on. When we're right on the line like this, like... Although it did tell us to sell here at the bottom. But that was right on the thing. And it did actually work out. That shit did come down a lot. Two and a half minutes until this candle closes. We just gotta break through this 200. Like, I don't know what kind of invisible force is fucking down here, but get rid of that shit. There's no way we're just gonna keep bouncing off of it and just go, okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Fucking 50,000. Not when the 5 minute is telling me to go short, okay? Not when the 5 minute is telling me that I need to go. It's not that I should, I need to go short, guys. I need to. All right, a minute and a half until this candle closes. We'll see. We'll see. It seems like there is a lot of bullshit that does occur, though. Like, until you short, you know? Like, set to go short here, and then this one is the short one. It does bullshit you before it does go down. I gotta get used to that fuck shit. This one, though, was just wrong. This one was right, but look at the bullshit you went through just to fucking get that, you know? Like, hella bullshit. But that's why they have these lines here, like, you know, if it goes past this, flip. That's why they have it. You know, lines exist for a reason, guys. Lines don't exist for no reason. Lines exist for a reason. Looks like this might close as a sell signal to end the day. I just don't know what time futures are open until today. I don't know. Are futures open 4th July? No futures. No futures markets will not be open for regular trading. They will have early close on July 3rd and remain closed. So this says futures are going to close at 12 p.m. It's already fucking 1 and they're not. Oh shit. Scared the fuck out of me, bro. It just signaled me to fucking go short. Check the log, check the log. Super trend sell. Let's fucking go. All in. Yeah, but you really have to go through some bullshit though to like it'll fuck with you. It'll go like this and all the way back up, and then it'll fuck with you for sure. It will fuck with you. That shit will fuck with you. I just don't know what time futures are open till. What time do futures close July 3rd? $12:15 p.m. Chicago time, but like we passed that, dude. Like we passed that shit. Like I probably shouldn't be holding this actually, yeah, because I have no idea. Let's just exit here. It's fine. Yeah, I shouldn't be holding that shit. Because I don't know what time it's gonna close. Alright. Till next time. Oh, look at the 1 minute just told me to go short as well, but I just don't know what time it closes. Everything's telling me it should have closed an hour ago. Doesn't tell you, it just says it should have closed an hour ago. Of course, things are still coming down. I should have held. Yeah, whatever. Fuck this shit.